Do you ever feel like when you watch the financial news, it just makes you more anxious?
If you do, check out this week's Money Minutes. Ryan here, back with your weekly Money Minutes. We're back out on the streets today, actually right near our office, believe it or not.
Yep, but FIT, got this amazing artistic wall here.
Exactly. So. Now, we bring you these weekly videos just to give you some common sense advice when it comes to your own personal investing and financial lives. And today, we really wanted to talk about all of the crazy, dramatic headlines that are out there, which is making it much harder to be an investor today.
Yeah, exactly. It's like we have our phones, we feel like we're addicted to our phones. The news is always coming out like everything happening is the most important thing that you ever heard before, and then it comes down to like, well, do I need to do something different with my money? Do I need to get out of the markets, into the markets? It's just pure chaos.
Exactly. Here's just a couple that we found. Market gains for 2018 wiped out by plunging stocks. The stock market is still being savaged by bears. The stock market just booked its ugliest Christmas Eve plunge. Stock market plunge. Wall Street volatility is back with a vengeance.
So we have savage bears, we have plunges, like that's the most dramatic language I've ever heard.
Yeah, to make it worse too, if you actually look at the images, it's things like terrifying bears and really worried looking traders. It's really scary images that go along with those headlines too.
I mean, in my mind, I would never invest in the stock market if that was what was going to happen. It was just going to be this like cataclysmic decline. I'm never going to make my money back again.
Here's the thing about all of those headlines that are making us nervous. They're designed to make us nervous. They're trying to get clicks. They're trying to cause fear because that's how they get their advertising revenue and their ratings, and it's designed to be that way. The irony really becomes, though, are all these headlines actually worth it? Was it worth listening to all of those dangerous signs that were out there?
Yeah, and the answer is no. All these shows are entertainment. What really happened is the market did sell off, right? And if you owned a portfolio, you might have been inclined to say, I want to sell out right now, but believe it or not, it's only a couple months later and the market's back to its all-time high. So getting crazy, getting your money, putting it in cash and waiting for the decline to happen and waiting to get back in, it doesn't really work. When it comes to your money, if it's in the news already, it's not news anymore, right? It's already old hat. You need to prepare ahead of time. You need a strategy that's actually proactive, not reactive with the headlines. If that's the case, you definitely have the wrong strategy and you need someone who can help guide you and navigate you through that because it just doesn't work. If you want to know if you're on the right track, we do free consultations every week. We'll take a look at things, make sure your 401k is in the right spot, you have everything properly diversified, you have a real game plan for the long term. If you click on the link below, you can see if you qualify for a free financial review.
Now, if this content is helpful, please subscribe below and you guys can stay up to date on our weekly content. Please pass it along to anyone who you think may benefit from this content as well. And as always, be bullish.